Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on uSenzo Mayo. You remember, guys, sigcine sikhuluma indaba kaMshololo noMngomezulu okuyibona engifila ukuthi they went through a lot with uRatha ebhizi ebashouta ebathethisa in the courts, shouting at them like they are babies. Ukubona leyo nto, especially uMshololo. From my point of view, ngifila ukuthi uMshololo went through the most with uRatha to a point where she ended up jail now engasakhulumi uMshololo eseyithulela. She's now quiet uMshololo. If you've noticed, she's changed completely. She's not the same person. And I think after Mngomezulu's passing, she became worse. We're gonna see on the 14th if she does change mhlambe. I also said in my video after late Mngomezulu's funeral ukuthi uRatha brought that to himself. Wazicelela. Yes. He's bringing those things namanje usaziletha to himself. Ngobani akakwazi ukubehave ecourt afane noJudge Erasmus in Jocelyn's case. Azibambe elifini and just speak properly and respect the defense. To a point where defense told him, "Bruh, please, this is not a fair trial." Now involved in that, this trial doesn't look fair. Ngoba njalo uyangena ungenelele ukhuluma izinto ezingekho. Guys, I've just forgot ukuthi ngimention futhi ukuthi uRatha and guys wena usuma umbuka uMshololo. Just comment, guys. Ningitshela ukuthi wena usuma umbuka uMshololo drinks uMshololo. Uphuza utshwala uMshololo. uRatha was like, hayi wena indaba uzocabanga ukuthi lana engathi setavern. Esho kuMshololo itavern yaseSoweto. And you can see ukuthi uMshololo is not that person. Uhlale ehlalela office lakhe lo umuntu eyifundela incwadi zakhe zelo. That person doesn't look like he even takes anything that has to do with alcohol. uRatha came up with the story ukuthi I know we didn't like that. I made so many videos around that. Why would you mention anything like that? As a judge, Utumombu Erasmus logo Jocelyn can say things like that. Uguti. Yeah, when I'm sure Guti NA is a tavern. Who even says those things? He even mentioned Viceroy at some stage, Judge Rat. In court. It's just like Nam Dan Babalo. So enough with uRatha. Nagu Ukeli Khumalo ebonakala eFosoras. This is the second time I've mentioned this. Ukeli Khumalo has been seen in and around the police station yaseFosoras. Lagwa reported on the case much later. Instead of Ukuthi reported before Usenzo was even taken to hospital in a car. No ambulance was called. Ambulance akazibizwe. Uyabonakala ke khona ngimazi uZamani there. She's been seen there. Sisters twice now in the space of a month. It's not even a month. Ufunani lapha zama lo 636 bazama lo 375 bacimani khona into abazama ukuyicima there. We just don't know. But some sources ambonile lapho usisters. And then you remember the story ukuthi she had the gun le yafika no longo ethwala. After I found out ukuthi there are people who are jollaring there. Umuntu wakhe lo uZandile Khumalo Gumede could be jollaring with one of Senzo's friends. Lezi singasakwazi ukubabiza ngaba friends ngoba bamdayisa uSenzo laba bantu and they grew up with him. But decided to bezela igoli and sell him out. To this day, umthoko ukuthuya abaleka nje bayibona ifamily kaSenzo, he runs like you've never seen. And there was also speculations and stories ukuthi wakwathola imali after a documentary. That that was made ngoSenzo Mayo babe inside lapho omthoko khona imali abayitholayo lapho. Emva kwaloko ba end up abe impuphu zasemlazi. Why? Because abazange ukukhuluma ukuthi umngane wabo wabulawa ubani. And there's a story between them. Umthoko nomngane wakhe lo munye ayifike naye lapha. Beka amabonda. Angithi he comes up with stories with mina ngeqa ibonda kaye next door. I never really saw who shot him. But you went next door because there was a shot. Angithi that was fired. So you didn't see who shot your friend? Okay, Billy Greyhound wakuletha la igoli. No. khona ukushaya amanzi lapho. We will remain like that and be like, hayibo, what happened? So I was still saying, guys, ukuthi lesi story sikaKelly Khumalo edlalisa igani esonto eyayinesonto after she was given the gun by uLongothwala, afika nayo endlini uthiwa ekaChicco Thwala. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Siyabuya futhi leso story sokuthi no, actually she did shoot him. You mustn't think uTefo, advocate Malisela Tefo is just sitting and uyazi ukuthi he's been trashing people. Not necessarily futhi trashing them. Most of the stuff is the truth, right? And then ama-experts are actually backing him up. Ukuthi uKelly uyena wadubula usenzo. Just imagine, guys. Lento lebe ngisho in the other video before this one ukuthi yini indaba nje abantu bengazange bazihlisa. Indaba uyithatha ukubekelele phezulu ngengane yomuntu but izakho ingane ziyaphila. Why uGladness untombi zodwa Khumalo umaka Kelly Khumalo benozandile Khumalo bahambe noChicco bangqongqoze kaSenzo Meyiwe eMlazi bathi qonqoma. They can still even go today, eh? Yeah, and be like, siyaxolisa Nkosi yami siyazi ukuthi we not the greatest people. uChicco kaqama ngastop sokuthi unokunikeza umakasenza imali unokufonela unomenzela athi you've got a relationship. No, those are lies. They have no relationship, nothing whatsoever. What is he talking about, that guy? Why would you have a relationship with umama nimqambela manga? No. Senzo's mom's sister, umamncane kaSenzo, actually is the one that told us ukuthi liwaba abantu abakho right. They've never ukuzehlisa nje guys ingane ushonela iyashonela kwakho untombi zodwa futhi mina I expected uChicco ngiyambona guys ngoba uChicco wabizwa usisters lo abathi uKelly Khumalo instead of calling an ambulance wathi woza uzobona sekwenzakala. Like honestly, why are you not calling the police and the ambulance? Ubizana noChicco. Mina ngithi untombi zodwa uma Kelly Khumalo afanele acela umalume obhuti bakhe nezinye ihlobo zakhe namakhazini bahambe baye kaSenzo Meyiwe. They haven't done that to this day. To a point where ubaba kaSenzo was like, angimfuni uKelly emngcwabeni umntanami. Yes, because I mean they lied. uKelly is the same person. When the family came on Monday after Senzo's passing, kwafika la uSifiso Meyiwa nomalume no baba mncane no baba omkhulu no baba kaSenzo. When they went to fetch Senzo's cars ezu2, usisi wayengasafunda emoto. What's up with that? Those are not your cars. This is please stop. Uyayibona manje kade yaqala le feud and there was no need for it. I said it in the video before this one. There was no need for that feud. Usicabanelani kushoniwe and uSenzo ushonele kini wenzani sis? You're the same person that went to Benmore la eBenmore ngasemsebenzini wami esenzi not far. You can actually walk. It's quite a walk, but I think it takes about 10 minutes. In fact, eBenmore uhamba lapho the following day, guys, Monday nabantu bakoSenzo bengakafika usushintsha ama SIM card. Ufunani? Ufuna imali kaSenzo? Ufuna ini? What do you want with those SIM cards that you are changing? Uthatha SIM card yakho uyifaka efonini kaSenzo. What is that all about? Ufonelana nabanye abadlali abangahlangene nje nalento and start to call them. Wasitshela phela thina expect yase Vodacom uPinky Vitalingem. Wasitshela uthi yebo lo muntu wayebhizi faka keep ama SIM card. Uyabona ukuthi uKelly wenza izinto eziningi kanjani kaze ezi wrong. She's still doing them now and she thinks this is funny and she thinks this is right. And it's not right how they went on about after Senzo's passing. Untombi zodwa umaka Kelly. And Umaga Senzo Meyiwe has cried so many times about her. It's winzala abantu. On the anniversary year after 10 years, when they went to Duzuma, there was a big event there. She was crying. To a point where Kelly was like, uhambu khala. Who even says that, guys? There are places. This is how she speaks, fellow Kelly. There are places where you can cry. You can't just uhambu khala no me goop. Guys, the stuff that we do is like so crazy. Who even does things like that? To this day, guys, pick up the phone. You don't even have to go in Lazi. And AKZ, pick up the phone and be like, Kumakakheli mina Ntomzodo, ngiyaxolisa mama. Like you've also said on social media ukuthi ngiyinzala abantu, ngiyazala nami. I have my 2 girls. Ngiyaxolisa ukuthi now why lose ingane. They've never done that. Why, what makes you think that's even right? And then uhambe kwishow yakho ukhulume ngoMakasenzo Meyiwa. Guys, uMakasenzo Meyiwa, we can't speak ill about her. And I've even said on my other video last month ukuthi noma ngathini, at the end of the day yena ingane wayilose. Ngeke izibuye yakhe ingane. And I've said ukuthi iyeza la izosebenza ingazi izodlala la. And people have said ukuthi iyafela ebufebeni ngoba yayishadile. But yeah, ukusalayo. And I've said it last month ukuthi futhi ngeke ivele ife njengenja. You understand my point though? The main thing la uSenzo washona, and I have told uLungiswa ngoba people keep on lying and there is no need for these lies. I even said ukuthi yini indaba nje uNtomzodwa ke no Chiko ke bahambe together ke bayo ingane zonile. How Senzo's cousin said ukuthi ingane zonile, sicela dala kokuxolelwana guys. Emandulo back in the days babe ngaboshwa abantu. Ama-family zayikhulumisana ukuthi hayi man kwenzeke i-mistake, abantwana bebedlala. There was a mistake at the house there, Isbam. Let's just say there was a mistake that happened on the gun. Siyaxolisa. Genuinely so. But you've never been genuine about anything. You still feel ukuthi nje ukufaka Senzo when it's some joke. As the Khumalozi ngicabanga uzumdlalo lo. Umama wabantu aluza ingane. Uxolisa nje emntweni uzehlisa. Uzoluza ini? Uma ka Kelly Khumalo nje just so that naye ezophumula in eternal peace someday one day. Wayengavela ahamba engimakasenzo. Ayihambele yedwa yakhe if she has to. Athi nje manje ngiyaxolisa Nkosi yami, ngiyazixolisela nje. Ngokwami ke ukuthi angizange ngifike. No sengimxolisala no Kelly ukuthi uyena wayemazi uSenzo. I am like so sorry. Guys, the stuff that happens in life sometimes isn't izinto we can actually sigweme ngesizulu and avoid them, you know. And lo mapopola ozandi, if she says yena wayepopola ema-bathroom or ekamereni into futhi engazwakali lento yakhe ngoba unamangando asisiyo. Yo, her testimony, the lies there. But there was another story sokuthi walimala onyaweni kwasayena. Besides ukuthi uLongo nayo akwaStitchwa la e-Rand Clinic. So lo usisi lo wake ulimala kanjani ifo upopola? Uyabona ukuthi unamangala lentombazane le? Hey, but this family has lied to this other family. And le family abantu ayisatholi manje ukulungiswa ngenxa labo sisi abawu2 abanamanga abandawonye. Abangasazwani futhi. Uzubona ukuthi there's crazy things in this family. Like they don't speak to each other ke manje. Abasokhulumisana ngobani ba amaphiciphici amaxoki including their mother. So guys ke uLongwe ke utshele uTefo ukuthi ke uKelly Khumalo yena wadubula uSenzo. Yeah. Ukhumbule guys, uMngomezulu maintained ukuthi there were 3 shots in that house, ne? Yeah. Ngoba she got proper things from uMakhubo and everyone that is been interviewing uLethi Thulani Mngomezulu. But ukhumbule ukuthi ama-experts that came into the court, those 3 guys that lied. But it's 2 shots. So uyabona ukuthi it's a problem. It's a problem. Guys, it's the same as Onyx Door baka Kelly or Mapiri who came to clean the house, basuse yonke evidence and contaminated that whole evidence singakwazi ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani. And one of the next doors angizakhumbula ukuthi naye he actually passed on mysteriously to this day asazi ukuthi wabulawa yini. Njengalabantu esikhulume ngabo last week abahambayo kule case ungazi, we've been talking about them actually quite a few times, almost in every video that I do talk about it ukuthi labo bantu baphelelaphi. So my thing is that okay, like I've been saying ukuthi they made a pact with certain people esingabazi. Yabona makuthiwa wawenza ipact no Satan tekanjalo. You made a pact nabantu ukuthi ngeke soze kwazi ukwakhuluma ukubona. So they made a pact with quite a few people. That is why ngize ngithi mina how kusho ukuthi almost the whole of SAPS must come and testify. Testify on what when you were not in the house? Ubona leyo nto leyo. So my thing is that they made a pact nabantu abaningi. Azasuchiko so mina-ke nginaleyo mali vele ukhokhela abantu abangaka ngiyithatha leyo mali. Kaze asazi ukuthi uyithatha thina leyo mali. Asikeni nowhere. Thina sifuna ukwazi nje kuphela ukuthi ubani owadubula usenzo kuphela. The fact ukuthi wena wabizwa wagijima lapho. So you know exactly who deleted Senzo on the day from the people who were in the house. Obviously it's not you wena Chico, but yekela ukukhuluma into ongazazi, yabona, then ngoba wazi ukuyibona leyo nto leyo. So sizoke sime futhi lapho kancane because lawo biko amanqampunqampu, you're just nje taking from what has been going on with this case. Nobuqhophololo no sathane that has been going on in this case. We've just been checking all of those things ukuthi ngempela labantu laba babesendlini yindaba abangakwazi ukusitshela ukuthi ubani wabulala uSenzo. When isibhamu saqhuma right in front of their eyes, what is been hard for the past 10 years to tell us what happened there, what's hard. Ngiyibona leyo nto leyo. And then uyazi-ke futhi ukuthi-ke sisaqhubeka sisathukwa futhi la ku-YouTube umuntu ezobe qhamuka lana on this channel azothi hayi sesiyekela le case u10 years usuphelile ngeke izilunge. So now njengoba sibuya nge-14 we must just stop now. Usenzo mustn't get justice. Afe njengenja, like I said. Please guys, like honestly, khona ezinye izinto man, you can just leave them without saying them. There's no need. Thina we just helping them was to get justice because we can see ukuthi I mean sihlalela manga like until when at some stage khona kuzofanele one of the people that were in there tell us the truth. So ngima lapho for today guys. I appreciate you guys. Please ningakhohlwa ukubukela ads, right? Yeah, phela nami ngisamusha ku YouTube njengoba ngiholile nge25. You know, if you've been watching my channel since last year, you'll know the stuff that I went through with YouTube being demonetized last year in April. Mind you, they've opened up my things. I was paid on the 25th. I really appreciate you guys so much for the prayers. I was saying last year, we take us as standards in good channel because I mean it's been 2 years. We're going on a third year. Actually, it got the 2 years the channel in Feb. I'm just like every day being a direction, but I just never gave up. And now YouTube what's you can't give up when the poster and you're doing a great job. And I did exactly that. I posted almost daily. Doesn't mean I'm postanga, it's because there's something ngempela. But these days I post twice a day. If you've noticed, just the Jocelyn case is a bit slow in terms of views and all of that. So can you also watch it? There's some that I really explained well. Can you just please listen to it, guys? I appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.